We can say this is the another lab. What is the name of this one? Here, point-to-point network. In that one we need to remember hello timer, dead timer will be same, that is 40 and 10. And what will be the difference here? You will have the no DR and BDR, so we need to check that one. So what I will do here, IP schema we can use this one. Okay, I will make duplicate. Where is duplicate? I will put this here, and I will make duplicate. I will put this here. Okay, or let me edit here. Why this came here? Let me delete. This should be 1.2, 1.1, 1.2. Power on this router, and take the CLI of this router. Take the CLI of this router also. CLI of this router also. If you are confused, let me move this down or up. Let me move this up, little up, and yeah, this will be up here and this will be down here. Okay, so now we are going to do this lab. So let me move this here, point to point, this one. Okay, let me save the configuration here only. We will give the different name here. I will give the name as a, I will write the name of the lab here, point-to-point network. Okay, bracket I will write OSPF. In the OSPF we are doing this one. So R1, let me write here R1 configuration. Why it is coming small? R1 configuration. Let me put here hyphen, so this will not execute. Okay, so now we will do the basic configuration about the router. So simple, same thing what we do, enable config T, then host name. What is this one, R1 or R4? We have R4, so let me write R4 here. This one also R4. Okay, after that just assigning the IP address. So I will write interface, what is serial S2/0, then I will write IP OSPF IP address, whatever IP schema 192.168.1.1, and then 255.255.255.0, and we will write here no shut. Okay, and after that we will write, we have only one interface here. If you want, I will make this minimize, this one, and now we can start configuration of the raw OSPF. So we will write router OSPF 1, then we can say network. We can use network command or serial, anything we can use. Network ID right here 1.0, then wildcard mask 0.0.255, then area 0. In area 0 we are configuring this one. So this is a R4 configuration. Let me copy from here to here, and I will paste this here, and this should be here, and this router number will be R5, and this is also R5, and this is the 2. Okay, this is 2. Why it is not 2? Another thing remains same, right? Because this is 192.168.1.0, so same thing remains same here. So now let's copy and paste the configuration. So what I will do, I will copy this first thing from here, I will paste in the R4. So this is our router R4. I will paste here, everything is good. Now we need to paste in R5. So let me copy the R5 configuration from here. Okay, and then I will log in here and I will paste here. This is the R5. Okay, and now we can check. We need to wait some time, and after that we can check here. How we can check? We can write show IP OSPF interface, whatever interface S2/0. Okay, and if you write here, you can see what we have here. This is the network type is point to point. Network type is point to point, and what we can say, this is a hello timer and dead timer is 10 and 40, but you will not have the DR/BDR here. If you see, we don't have any DR/BDR here. If you want to check, we can write here show IP OSPF neighbor, and we can check here. Here nothing is showing, that means we don't have the DR and BDR in this one. So hence proof our lab successfully done. Then what we are saying, that one network type point to point. When we connect the serial cable to connect the router, that is known as point to point. In that one, hello timer, dead timer remain the same, whatever we have the standard one, but we will not have the DR, BDR. Neighbor will discover dynamically. Okay, so this is the lab for that one. So let